Hello everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise previous one. Letter C, K, making the same sound K, 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 K. Letter E, E, E. Letter H. Letter R. Okay, now it's time to start the fifth letter of second group, letter M. Letter M. Let's start with a short story. Mercy and his son have invited his friends Mickey and Minnie for dinner. The children were playing outside when they heard the call for dinner. They came inside, washed their hands and sat down for the dinner. All the children were rubbing their tummy and saying, "We are hungry, we are hungry." Yes, the sound of letter M is and the action of letter M is Okay, now let's see how to write letter M. Letter M. Letter M. Letter M. Letter M. Okay. Now listen the words corresponding to the picture. What's this? Lamb. Lamb. There is a sound of letter M. What's this? Mug. Mug. What's this? Mat. Mat. What's this? Tennis racket. So it is not related to letter M. So we cross out the picture. Okay. Now blend the words. Men. Men. Man. Man. Miss. Miss. Him. Him. Okay. Let's sing a song. The mom and dad make many meals. The mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with another letter. Till then,